How to fix Oppo Reno 14f cannot receive MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.